Dear learners and students, now we are on the 8th week of our course, which is the last week. So, I am trying to design here 4 sessions which shall give you the glimpse of what our country is doing using Industry 4.0. And also I will try to cover here some of the popular schemes of the Government of India. And I like to end this course with a session on future of the work and future of the industry. How Industry 4.0 technology is redefining the works, our work and the industry. So, in this first session, I will like to discuss AI acceleration by Government of India. What kind of plans and schemes? It's a very interesting development. In this 30-minute session, I will try to give you a glimpse of some of the key initiatives by Government of India and some of the partner organizations, mostly are from the startups and philanthropics. So, let us begin this learning. Government of India has made a plan of Viksit Bharat, Develop India, a 10-year plan up to 2035. And under that, there is a AI mission plan. So, in this slide, I have shown the key initiatives which Government of India under the AI mission is focusing. One is the India AI Innovation Center, developing indigenous AI models and foundational models. The idea is that India is having its own data. India is having its own problem statements. So, we have to develop our own AI models in all sectors: agriculture, government, education, health. So, AI models has to be native, not we should borrow from other countries. AI, India AI compute capacity. AI is a computer hungry software. It requires high-end GPUs, we call them, graphical processing units. Companies like NVIDIA and some other companies. And in fact, CDEC is also trying to manufacture GPUs for our country utilization. And already some of the computers has been delivered by CDEC, government organizations to the industry. So, as per this plan, 10,000 GPUs will be required in the country in the near future. India startup financing. Startups are our key player for developing AI applications, developing AI services. So, Government of India has made a sizable budget to finance startup initiatives under this. Application development initiative, promoting impactful AI solutions for large scale socio-economic transformation. There is a new platform is being developed, AI Kosh platform. Kosh means treasure, unified hub center for data sets, models. So that people should take advantage, developers should take advantage of a centralized data. Data capturing exercise is a very expensive exercise. A startup cannot afford that. One startup will be successful if that startup get a rich data. So, the attempt is to capture, to provide a rich data. There are some projects like Bharat Jan. Large language model is being developed with the help of initiative by IIT Bombay, with the help of some other IITs. So these all initiatives fall under the AI Kosh platform, AI. Then India AI Future Skill. This is a very big, opportunity to develop our manpower, to reorient our, youth to learn more and more about AI. So AI has become one of the important curriculum in most of the universities, and even now AI is being taught right from 9th and 10th standards to the graduation and post graduation. So there are 7 key pillars which I already discussed now. One important area is safe and trusted AI, which is not listed over here. That is also one of the focus area of India AI mission. In this slide, I have shown the details about all these 7 pillars of inclusive AI growth. Most of the things I have discussed now, but still you like to go through, please go through this slide. It's a very important slide. Last year, Government of India has sanctions a budget of 10,371 crore for these initiatives, AI mission initiatives, which we discussed now. I have captured this information from the Government of India sites only, so you can go through the information, what kind of initiatives, what kind of budgeting, and what is the vision of the Government of India in all these 7 areas. So I'll take few areas to explain little more details about this area. Like one of the area is that AI computing power, because computing is something which individual startups computing infrastructure is something where individual startups may not be able to finance it. And most like the way Aadhaar and India Stack has been developed, all facilities, computing facilities for this Aadhaar and India Stack has been provided by the Government of India and the DPI, Digital Public Infrastructure. Similar way for AI growth, for AI application growth, now government is having a vision that government should provide a centralized, a federal kind of architecture of the computers, which will run the AI applications, AI algorithms, and AI data. So that is what is the mission. And already some work is being started over there. So government expect we require so many GPUs. GPU is a central processing unit. Here we call them GPU. Like in computers we have central processing units. Central processing units, we call them Intel processors or whatever is AMD processor, but this is not Intel and AMD processor. They are much powerful processors, and their main role is the processing of AI data, AI algorithms. And it requires very fast operation. It is 1,000 times faster than the normal CPUs. So these are the developments which a government has started. Somebody wants to know more information about that. You can log into the Government India Mission website, and you will get. And so the objective is to try a very comprehensive initiative. And these AI missions committees are being formed gradually, and many seniors and many learned people who are having knowledge and who are contributing in their own way are the part of these committees. In this slide, I have shown the building block of AI-driven innovation and language inclusion. Important aspect of the success of AI in our country is the language inclusion. India is a country of diversified languages. We have more than 100 languages are being spoken, and we have 22 largely spoken languages. So already, under the project of Bhashini, that language translation is available for all these 22 languages. So like you speak in the Telugu, and somebody want to listen your speech in the English, it will get translated on a real-time basis. You speak in English, or it will get translated into the Telugu. So these kind of initiatives has been taken up very strongly, and a lot of new developments has been developed, and some of these things like Bhashini is now largely available, and the Government of India, another project is Bharat Jan, which will provide multimodal LLMs As I said, the important thing in our country is the local data, local data. So this is these projects which I have noted down over here are all addressing this requirement in some other manner. So I am not going in detail of these projects. This is for just information sharing. So hope that you will go through the details of these projects and these initiatives depending upon your likings. How it is impacting that AI model development, call for proposals ongoing, language coverage expansion from 22 to 35 plus languages. So far we have, like Bhashini is covering 22 languages, now we want to cover 35 plus languages. So, and research consortiums has been formed, as I mentioned, that IITs and premier institutions are collaborating. Open source commitment, we like to make use of the open source software, not we want to tag to any particular vendor like Microsoft or IBM. It's not like we want to oppose them, government want to oppose them, but government feel the future is secured in the open source software. So their license fees is not involved, but development efforts are manifold. So because you have developed the product as per your need. It's not like proprietary software where most of the products come as a shrink wrap software. As in case of agriculture, I discuss the integration with the backend digital public infrastructure has been identified by Government of India as a part of the AI mission. It's a very, very critical, important area where AI mission, all the platform which has been developed should be integrated vertically with the public DPI, digital public infrastructure. Digital public infrastructure has become one of the backbone of most of the government initiatives. So you can read out this DPI as the industry infrastructure layer, AI as the intelligent layer. So intelligent layer will work on the infrastructure layer, which is having the data, which is having integration with all sort of applications like KYC or your bank accounts, everything aggregators you will find on the DPI, digital public infrastructure. This slide gave a glimpse about the affinity of this integration of AI with digital public infrastructure. You can see that the success of UPI is based on that the integration with the DPI, digital public infrastructure. NPCI, the government company NPCI has developed the UPI, and it is vertically integrated with the DPI, digital public infrastructure, which has detail about our Aadhaar and identity, and that is one of the success reason of UPI. So this is one area where lot of action is being done. Another example, how the Mahakumbh, which happened in recently in Allahabad, has made use of AI, and AI based algorithms was running to decide that the crowd scheduling, deciding that what should be the time of the taking the bath, so many things. If you go through this case study of Mahakumbh 2025 AI over DPI, you will come to know that AI was the backbone of the success. One of the success, I'll say, one of the success was due to the reason that we have used technology in managing the crowd flow and so many other decisions. As I said, one of the building block of Viksit Bharat is the Viksit Bharat. There is a 2024-7 vision for the for India 2047, 22-year. Government has set a path. This is what we want to have by 2027. Government visualize that India will be a developed countries like USA and other countries. So for that, talent is AI talent and workforce development is the key initiatives which the government has taken. In this slide, I have taken some data from the government that how what is the kind of growth is happening and what kind of initiatives are being done. Like, you can see that, India AI Future Skill Initiative is being, anchored by many universities, and many, philanthropic organizations. You may be knowing one initiative called Diksha. Diksha is one of the initiative by organization called EquiStep. EquiStep is a philanthropic organization, and Diksha provide, curriculum of all elementary educations from first standards to the, or nursery standards to the 5th and 6th standards now. So all those books in multi-languages, not in one or two languages like we find in other edutech platforms like Coursera. Here, a student wants to learn, or is from Telangana, he will learn in Telugu. If a student is from Bengal, he will learn in Bengali. So that kind of facilities are being developed thanks to language processing algorithms and NLP, which has facilitated these kind of developments. So this is another slide where I am showing that what kind of adoptions are being done. AI adoptions are being done. Earlier AI adoption were very in a native stage. Now in last 3 years we are finding tremendous development with the Prime Minister's their own vision, and Prime Minister wants to have the maximum development in field of AI. Like, they have recently allocated, as I mentioned, 10,372 crore rupees for the AI various initiatives. Some of the initiatives, which has been successful, I have mentioned over here. World leading AI talent base India is having right now 4,25,000, and that is one of the our caching point. That like, there was a time when we used to, our engineers used to work abroad. Now in the similar situation, since we have very big AI manpower today getting ready, thanks to all engineering colleges and IITs, now we will be encashing a lot of work, India will be a hub for AI based services, AI based services by global organizations. This is the model, I will say. One side we have consumable AI, other side we have AI as a service, and third side is the embedded AI. So what is this all about? Consumable AI is a AI where we consume AI, that the way we discuss in case of agriculture, retail, or medical or healthcare, that is a consumable AI. Now, as UPI is being offered as a service, or UPI is being offered as a platform, Government of India feel that that AI should be offered as a service. So that you need to develop these models. You want so and so applications, you have to just subscribe to that, and you will be able to use that with your own data. So this is one of the very important opportunity, I will say. It is still in the development stage, not fully explored, but the possibilities are there. In next 3 to 5 years time, AI as a service will be available to our citizens at a very throwaway kind of cost, or maybe completely free. And what is embedded AI? AI is being embedded in each and every product now. Whether you are using smartphone, whether you are using your car, whether you are using your family gadgets like refrigerator or television, everywhere AI is being embedded, so that these gadgets, these products become more efficient, more intelligent. So that is also very big opportunities of development of AI, AI embedment, with the products and services. So I have included some of the slides, that how to scale AI. This is an important thing, to scaling the AI. It is okay, you can develop the pilots and some experiments, but how to scale the AI, that is also a very big challenge. A big challenge, scaling AI, because we have seen, most of the AI developments, remain into the pockets of prototyping. And there was a study done by NESCOM a few years back, they found that 80% AI applications remain in the pilot stage. They don't rolled out at the larger scale of the enterprises. So that is where action is required. So these slides give some glimpse about that opportunity. This already I have discussed about leveraging digital public infrastructure, but still for little more information, I thought let me include this slide in my deck. So, as I mentioned about this, you can note down. This is a slide which I have taken from pupilplus.ai. This website is there, which talk about that 10 to 30% AI projects only get successful, reach to the scale. Balance projects remain on the pilot stage only. Now we have few slides about the use cases, which I have already developed. We have discussed in case of other domains, but in case of the citizen domain, how AI is being used. So I have taken some of the examples from a startup company, ECSTEP. ECSTEP is one of the company which work in the Bangalore, and they have initiated this Diksha as a platform. So from their vision, they have a paper which was published, and what kind of framework can be applied in case of AI use cases. Now we are talking about the framework. So AI safety alignment is one of the part of this framework. Accessible and affordable compute. So as I said, Government of India is putting a centralized computing facility so that nobody is debarred of using the large data which India own, and that is called accessible affordable compute. And democratizing the data, again data should be used by the people who wants to use it under a secured agreement, a secured way. Data cannot be exposed to everybody, every data cannot be exposed to everybody, but data which can be given access to the companies should be provided, instead of every company is trying to capture the data, try to develop the data platform. This is a very expensive exercise. So that is also one of the vision of the Government of India, and ECSTEP says that should be a part of the AI use case framework. Human talent is also part, inclusively. We should try to develop the application via inclusive, for the benefit of the poor people as well as. So the inclusive is also one of the part of the AI use case. It means our priority should be on the development of the use cases which are inclusive, for the for the benefit of the general public. That is what. This we already discussed. So I think design principle of use cases adoption framework. That is for the okay. I have taken the example of the agriculture. So if you like to develop the application use cases for agriculture, the ECSTEP says that AI is transforming the farming with intelligent solutions that promote sustainability, increase yields. So for that, what is the framework? So this is the this slide which talk about the framework to develop the applications for agriculture. So friend, I have come to the end of this session. In this slide, you will find that a vision of AI for Bharat. 2-3 slides I have added in this deck. AI for Bharat is worth noting that our seniors like Nandan Nilekani, who is the driving force of most of the technology initiatives, he is being called sometimes the CTO of Government of India technology initiatives. He wrote that our belief is that the AI should be inclusive, not extractive. AI has the potential to concentrate power and money with a few organizations where everyone else is just using it, or it can be much more inclusive, amplifying every human being potential. So that is the worry which all the senior people are having, that AI, the advantage of AI should be inclusive. It should be distributed to all citizens of country, not it should be remain in the hand of only few individuals. Which we are seeing the trend in the globally, like Twitter and Facebook. These are the companies who hold the maximum number of data, public data, global data is right now in the hand of only few individuals. But Government of India is having vision that we should try to provide an inclusive platform for development of AI based applications and AI based facilities. So that is what is the mission of AI for Bharat. This is again a mission, joint mission of Government of India with the ECSTEP, which is sponsored, or which is being founded by Nandan Nilekani and his wife and some other his colleagues like Mr. Marwada. So it's worth studying of AI for Bharat initiatives. You can Google it and you can find out all these initiatives. 4 pillars of this AI for Bharat, as I could capture from this study or one paper which was published: data collection at scale, model building, platform at stake, usage at scale, usage. This is the vision of the AI for Bharat. So this is a vision which has been developed jointly with the ministry as well as the ACT-STEP organization, which is in the forefront of bringing the AI for the masses, AI for the masses. So this is from the same Bhashini. I have included, as I said, few more details in my deck. You can go through at your pace how the Bhashini is being used. Impact of language AI, real benefit for the citizens. So these are some of the good examples to know that how AI is being today democratizing or being democratized in our country, and how the people are taking advantage of that. As I said, the Bhashini is a one platform, the language processing platform, which has brought the maximum benefit for the masses. In this 3-4 slides, you can go through and you can find that what kind of benefit our citizens in the agriculture, in the poor families are getting with the help of Bhashini. So this is a concluding slide of 5 key success factors for India's AI progress: government support policy, and thriving AI startup ecosystem. Startup ecosystem is a backbone of AI growth in our country. Why AI startups are important? Because AI require a vision. AI require a out of box thinking. It is not only remain in the corridor of big companies, but we have seen that maximum developments of new AI applications are being done by startups. And so one of the important thing which can be done or is being done, that the large corporates, large enterprises should work with the startups, so that startups get funding as well as the market to place their ideas or to place their experiment and prototyping in the market. So startup lacks sometime in the marketing side. Once they have tie up with the corporates, and this is being done by most of the corporates like Jio or TCS. I have seen in some PSUs, but it requires more action in this area, in this field, in this point. So other is that success factor is data and computing power. We have to develop strong AI research ecosystem is also lacking in our country. We have as compared to the China and United States and some other countries, the spend on AI research and new developments are not up to the mark. So every corporate, so every enterprise organization has to spend more and maybe it being said at least 1% or 1.5% of their budget should go on the AI research. Vast AI talent pool scope is required. There is a scope of development of vast AI talent pool, and that is also one of the important success factor. How good okay, preliminary education is being provided by our engineering colleges, but their practical use, how they apply that education in the practical field is one of the big challenge. And digital computing power, for that government has already taken initiative of 10,000 crores kind of budget has been provided for developing that AI infrastructure. And some major global companies wants to help in this respect. We have seen that Microsoft also has committed recently to develop a big AI data center in Tamil Nadu area. So digital computing power is also very important area where thrust is required for success of AI in our country. So there are a few slides which I have added here. So this is only for your reference. Please go through these slides. Out of my curiosity, I thought let our learners should know about all these developments, some of these projects, and you will be happy to go through these slides and know that how AI is helping our legal systems and our students, our children. So these are some slides. You please go through them and learn more and more. So now I have come to the end of this is a very passionate subject for me, that how AI adoption is happening in our country, what is the future of AI in our country. So I thought putting some more slides, but these are self-explanatory slides. You can go through that. This already I have explained, consumer AI and AI as service and embedded AI. These slides like how the AI is being consumed in the banks, retail, what is the percentage of their success, that is being written over here. So we have come to the end. These are the 3-4 slides which I have developed based on the data available in some of the reports. So please go through that. For sector by sector, I have developed the success factor of AI adoptions. You will find some data available over here. Those who want to know how our industry is making use of the AI, these are the few use cases which I have included in our deck. This is another thing which is eye-opening. The AI requires massive. One of the investment is the training of the data set. And this slide I have taken from the report from Stanford University. They published last year index. They call it Stanford AI Index 2025 report. And this is a kind of the training data sets. You can see on the y-axis the data sets, the number of data sets are being given, how many data sets are required to be trained. Like if you see the GPT-4, GPT-4 was the old model in the ChatGPT. It is being trained with the 100 trillion data sets. 100 trillion data sets now. So model require massive data for training. So we can estimate that if you want to develop a generative AI systems equivalent to ChatGPT, so we require to train so much data. That is one of the biggest challenge, and it requires huge investment. Similarly, in case of training length, number of days, how many days you require to train. This slides gives that glimpse about that. For like GPT, let us take the example of GPT. Data is being trained for 100 days. A number training length of days, 100 log, 100 means the same data is being trained by 100 days. Then you are able to produce that. Luckily, we have seen that every 3 months, ChatGPT is releasing a new version. Now is a 5.2. Thanks. We have come to the end. I thought I will give you the glimpse of the efforts also involved in developing very meaningful AI systems. So thank you very much for the attention. I hope some of this information will be good for you, and you like to take your own initiatives, especially students. You have the big opportunity in this area. And Government of India and many startups and philanthropic organizations are coming very forward. They are coming forward to offer new platforms to offer the opportunities to the students. So this is a welcome step in our country. Thank you very much once again.